Good day, everybody. This is Michael Leveres from JurisQ.com, and we are a legal network of participating attorneys who answer legal FAQs, frequently asked questions. And prior to this, we have introduced Mr. Herbert Lawrence, who's an attorney in New Jersey practicing real estate. And now I want to introduce the off counsel to the law offices of Herbert F. Lawrence, Stephen Zielinski. Stephen, welcome. Welcome to our podcast.
Good morning. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. And I want to ask you some questions about personal injury because you are an authority on the matter. You have years of experience. You do it day in, day out. And particularly what I want to ask you is after the COVID pandemic, now we're basically on the end of it. The courts, from what I hear, are opening up more. Before there were more delays in going to trial. Insurance companies took their time to settle. I hear things are different now. Things are ramping up. Can you please give us the lay of the landscape? What's happening with personal injury cases in the state of New Jersey?
Well, certainly there is still a significant delay, Michael, of cases in the state of New Jersey about civil cases. That's all we deal with. Okay, we don't deal with any criminal cases. And it appears that the trial courts are trying to move along the calendar by, number one, trying to get cases either settled or moved to trial. In other words, they're listing cases for trial in the various counties that we participate in, which is mostly the North Jersey counties, which is Middlesex, Essex, Union County, and they're putting them on the trial list, not as fast as our clients would like to, but they are doing that. Now, when they call the cases in, they bring in an awful lot of attorneys with an awful lot of cases, and they have a trial call. And if the cases are ready, then the judge either sets them out for a settlement conference in order to try to get the cases settled, or sends it out for a particular judge to try or start the trial on the case. That's what's been happening.
Right. And you also, Stephen, thank you for your answer. You told me off camera that you think that insurance companies have maybe not reached that kind of deal, but they have discussed with the courts what's going on, and they are prepared to move forward more and dedicating more money to settle cases. Have you seen this?
No, I haven't. I have nothing to base that on, Michael. But what I do know is that some of the insurance companies, and it's company by company, seem to be more acceptable to talking serious settlements. Some insurance companies do not do that, and they do it differently. There are a number of insurance companies that play very hardball and they don't bend. But there are other insurance companies that we're dealing with, liability insurance companies, that I think are more realistic and would like to get cases settled.
And by the way, when you say they're more rigid, some insurance companies, and not wanting to settle, this is where your litigation firm, your litigation experience comes into play, and you can actually litigate cases, go in front of a judge, go in front of a jury to make sure your client gets the best and the maximum compensation. Is that right?
Well, we are a litigation firm, and we do try cases, and we don't try to avoid trial. So we want to go to trial in the right situations. And recently, we've had a couple of cases that were sent out for trial, and we were ready to start picking a jury on the case, actually, and the case is settled at the time the jury was supposed to be selected. So, yeah, we don't play games. We are ready to try our cases.
Excellent. Okay, that's a great note to end this session on. And the note is that the law firm of Herbert F. Lawrence is an experienced firm that not only settles cases, but also goes to trial when need be. And that's very important. And we're going to talk about it in our next session, how important it is to have an attorney on your side that has actual litigation experience. The law office of Herbert F. Lawrence is open for business. open to free consultations for anybody who was injured in personal injury, in a car accident or slip and fall or what have you. Please call the phone number on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for your time. Steven Zielinski, thank you for your opinions. Thank you for participating with us. And we want to see you next time on JurisQ.com. Have a great day.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.